Hello! Welcome to episode 4 of my ongoing series of rendering videos. And in this video, I will show you how I usually render marble. In this sample, you can see two different ways of rendering marble. One with a rougher texture, the other one a little bit smoother. Aside from watercolor, you might also need gouache or poster paint or a white gel pen. Let's start. First, I usually start with a wash of color. Here, I will just use two colors with a burnt sienna, and the other one I'll use gray, or just a very watered down black. And I'll start putting in some dimensions, or some parts darker than the others. When everything has dried, you can start drawing in the veins of marble. When drawing the veins of marble, you can make some lines thicker and some parts a little bit thinner, so you have that natural look of veiny marble. It's very uneven. I also noticed that usually you can sell the idea of marble if your veins go in a diagonal rather than going in a straight line. Make some parts of the vein a little bit darker than others so that you get extra dimension. In between layers of color, make sure that your paint layers are completely dry. Keep in mind that when watercolor dries, the color usually lightens up 1 or 2 tones lighter. So when you see this happen and you want a little bit more dimension, just drop in a little more color to make the contrast of the veins a little bit more convincing. And we'll do the same thing with the black and white marble. You don't have to make all of the veins uniformly dark. Just put the darker colors in some parts so that you get a more natural look. Once everything is dried, you can start putting in some of the whites in the veins using your gouache or poster paint. This will really help sell the idea that what you're rendering is a piece of marble. For the smooth marble, essentially it's the same thing, only that the veins are a little bit more smooth or curvy rather than the one with the rougher texture. As a guide, you can always use the natural veins or lines that you get when you do your wash of color. And then just keep on layering different strokes different curvy lines for your marble, for your smooth marble. It really helps if you let the layers dry up one on top of the other, so that you can actually see your brush strokes, and your brush strokes will look like natural marble veining. So just like the rougher kind of marble, this one you'll have to make some parts a little bit darker, some parts a little bit lighter. This will really help sell the idea that what you are rendering is a piece of marble. Now try doing the same thing with the black and white smoother marble. You can play around with different colors here. If you're doing a black and white, you can use indigo, which is a very dark blue, almost black. And just really play around with the veins. You can see it is kind of similar, or it is very similar to how you do wood grains, only that you have less, you actually have stronger contrast between the lights and the darks. So don't forget, don't obliterate those white spots, so that strong contrast between whites and the darker colors really helps sell the idea that what you are rendering is marble. As a final touch, you can add some white veining on your marble. And that's it. Now you have your marble. If you want, you can always experiment with other colors like what I did here: yellow, orange, or green. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. And if you want to say something, please leave it at the comments below. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next videos.